Well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. From the opening there, we have the Appalachian Outlaw saw here in the Pacific Northwest. We've already had it running on Brian's channel, Jason's. I'll put his channel link down below, as well as Brian's and Brennan's. And this saw is decked and ported. I've had it for about 3 weeks. This is the last weekend I've got it. Between weather and work and all that neat stuff, I haven't been able to run it. So the three of us have all got one tank through it. So my goal is to get one more tank through it before I have to box it up and send it off. So what I've got here to cut up is madrone. This saw has not seen any fur, but with madrone, it'll pretty much never see this stuff again, because it only grows here on the West Coast. And the channel that owns this saw is Yadkin Valley Outdoors. I believe he's in South Carolina, which is its final destination after it makes its round on YouTube. The gentleman putting this all together for us, he's out of Wyoming, and that's Frontier Firewood. So coming up, he's got the list of where this saw is going next and what channel it's going to pop up on, and we'll go from there on that. I'll put all those channel links down below as well. Over on Frontier Firewood, I know he's got a playlist going as well. He's got the first United by Sawdust saw running around, and this is the second one. So let's run the stock 461 with a 32-inch bar. You guys have seen that saw run before. I'll run a couple of cuts with it, and then we'll go to the ported saw. And what I did here is I put on a 32-inch bar, same chain, because that's typically what we run here, and that's what we all know. So let me get you set up and we'll get cutting. That's faster. All it wants to do is pull. I build engines for a living. I help rebuild engines for a living. I'm the guy over the net keeping your cars running. You want more power, I can tell you what to do without turbos and nitrous.
Or superchargers.
Or superchargers, some form of boost. I've ran ported saws before, but usually it was, here you go, what do you think? 1 or 2 cuts, I'm done. And I don't want to run it too hard and break it. It's not my saw. It's like your buddy giving you the old, the old hot rod, whether it's a Mustang, a Camaro, Chevelle, whatever. And here, what do you think of it? Well, you can tell, but you don't want to get into it too hard because you don't want to lose control and break it, and now, yeah, everyone's mad at you. Could I go harder on it? Yeah. I could go harder on that one. But this one here, it's got the RPM speed, the chain speed high enough to overrun that one. Oh, in case I forgot to mention, both chains are identical. So...
and bar length.
Yep, bar length's the same. So, I think before I send this off on Tuesday, I'll run it more and just have fun with it. So, assuming weather holds. It's been raining the last couple of weeks here in the Northwest off and on. So, Yadkin, Jason, I think you'll like it when you get it. It'll definitely be broken in. Everybody else gets to break it in before you do. So, and mine's all stock. Only difference I have on mine are I got bigger dogs on it and a full wrap handle. So, other than that, I'm impressed. So, well, I didn't get a chance to run it again like I wanted. That's okay. But saw's off to this next location. I forget where it's at, but that's okay. Frontier Firewood's got the playlist going of where it's going and who's all ran it, including the first one. So, till next week, thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, and travel safely. Thanks for watching.